Each of the planets has a certain pitch or resonance or frequency. And, Pythagoras called this the harmony of the spheres. The end of September, October, November, this is the crescendo of the year. And these few months are particularly intense to dig up the dirt on any corruption in top-down powerful people, governments, etc. So I feel it could be something like a huge energy pulse that we've never had before that is going to change things radically on Earth. The drop in the magnetic shield of the Earth and the Sun is huge. It's dropped more than 20%. And we are now entering, a very rapid kind of, it's like whitewater rafting now, financially. So lots to say about this. You can focus on all of this drama and colour and collapse, and believe me, I think we're going to have a lot of it, or you can focus on love.